What's your name, sweetheart?
My name is Meg.
Meg, what do you think about your haircut and color transformation now that we're almost finished? We're doing the
Well-
detailed job.
Well, I think it brought about my features. I really like the color.
What about the haircut?
The haircut is nice. It frames my face because I have a round face. So I
Nice.
Think,
You
yeah.
had hair. I cut enough hair that more hair than you have on your head than you already. So you had hair like this thick.
Yes.
I brought it down. It's not nice. You kidding me? That's an insult, man. This is the best transformation, girlfriend. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Meg is also a first responder spirit. Come on in, sweetheart. Come on in. This lady, no, here.
Oh,
Come.
here.
This is Meg's sister. She came in with a long band
my
or
mom.
dark and then very brassy ends. So look at what I did.
I
And
love
her aunt,
it.
her sister is back there in the sink. We're finishing her too. It was a color transformation. And let me see. Turn around.
She
turn
looks
around.
so much younger.
She already is young. Don't insult my customers.
Oh,
So look at this guy's beautiful fall color.
Yes.
Fall color, and this
love
is
it.
fall color here. What do you think about Meg's color?
I love it. That's why I said. Nag-iiba siya sa
I went a
araw.
little darker, but
No, you can't. That's just perfect.
That's not dark.
Yeah.
Trust me, because you need to upgrade your
perfect.
glasses. You don't have your glasses. I think that you're like me. You see one shade darker than it's not supposed to be. But
I
anyways,
think-
guys, I gave her a beautiful bangs because I made sure it's equal balance from this corner to this corner and through framing her facial features and I created this really nice soft curtain-like upper bang which falls and gives her a really cool soft angled finish, frames her
maybe there you go. That's what it looked like on the side. There you go.
and hence her beautiful cheeks.
So
And
I
gives her a
have a
beautiful-
very round and square jaw. There you go.
And you know what I'm going to do is take this over here and really doctor it down, soften it, take out a lot of the bulk. I want this to be more of a shear-like, as a backup bang trim backup, because your bangs, they're like the foundation of it is shorter, because if it was a long bang, it would not behave the way it's behaving right now, because it was splitting here, too much weight, bulky, and it was giving me a lopsided feature. So now this is more even distribution. So I'm not cutting hair, I'm not coloring hair, I'm designing hair. That's why my hair salon called Mario's Hair Designers. Can you
Amen.
make sure show Mario's Hair Designers logo too, please?
Yes.
Do this, like that, yeah.
All right.
And guys, I've been working on Meg's hair, her mom's hair, her aunt's hair. Originally it was her. I thought it was her mom, but I find out it's her aunt. And then I said, wait a minute, let me look at everybody's hair. And I end up transforming everybody's look features. Because I'm preparing them for a happier new year coming up. So if I start them now, they should be coming to see me back by December. So we can keep it going. And everybody looking good. And everybody happy. And by the way, this is also one of the terrible comb YS Park made. I hate complaining, but I just can't tolerate it. It's a $21 comb and broke on me, and they don't want to do nothing about it.
It's a little expensive for $21.
Yes, when I was in beauty school, the combs were 20 cents, maybe even 10 or 15 cents.
Yeah, but then it's just a tool. What matters is your talent. It's just a tool.
Tools are very important. Right now,
Oh.
you know, if you're going to work on a Ferrari, you got to have a special tool. If you want to work on a Lambo, same.
Oh yeah,
Like
that's
my
true.
BMW, the M3 sports car, you got to have the right tools. And you know, you're in the
That's
medical
true.
field. Your doctor doesn't do the surgery with a kitchen scissors, does he? So therefore,
Tools are important.
Thank you very much. It's not just a tool. It is the most important. So this is a wonderful carving. Complement your features. I also did her eyebrows too, guys. I know certain things you are going to do, certain things not going to do to your hair because you're a nurse, you're busy, you sleep, you're half sleepy, half awake, you go to work, the hair is your least worry and you put in a ponytail and the poor hair, it's almost like a handcuffing a guy 12-hour shift, you know? So, but anyways, guys, you can see this amazing transformation. She has a beautiful violet, deep violet shades. That's what I wanted to do because her hair was already colored previously and was very dry. I wanted to create a really healthy hair color transformation, and I'm sure down the road we may do something else. This is just a first date, getting to know her and her hair. And I guarantee you're not going to find a haircut like this in the United States besides Mario's Magic Touch. How nice, look at that. Now people are going to think you're a Japanese. Kirei ne. Kirei ne.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
はい、どういたしました。私はマリオです。お元気ですか？マリオさん、haircut.
Very nice Jiko Shokai self-introduction. Very nice. Jiko Shokai.
Okay.
Very nice.
And you're from Philippines, but you speak very good Japanese.
Subarashi.
How'd you learn all that? Damn, you watch the game or something, the TV? Like a lot of people right now tell me they're watching Turkish TV shows.
Oh, come on. It's just phrases. Very common.
You are the best. No, trust me. It's very rare that you find someone that speaks these common phrases the way you do. So that means you care about
It's
it.
very common.
Travel to Japan, right? You said you've been to Osaka?
I've been.
I've been to Osaka, I've been to Nagasaki, I've been to Tokyo, I've been to Kyoto.
Very nice. You've been all over Japan.
I did a hair show actually in Nagasaki. Was working
Nice.
with the Honda scissors, and everybody was taking a lot of pictures of me. It was crazy. Dressed up with my Versace suit,
Whoa.
had my Gucci glasses, for real.
You wore designers. That was a nice experience.
Absolutely.
Well, all right. Well, if you guys need a good haircut, good color, we had a
Good?
great
Did you say good?
experience.
Good is not good
Great.
enough. Excellent.
Sorry. Excellent, great. This is in Duluth, Georgia,
This Johns Creek.
in Johns Creek. Oops,
But
Johns
we
Creek.
are also mobile. Money talks, I'll be there. One call, that's all. Mario said this on Johns Creek, Georgia. Beautiful lady in the house. Her
Thank
mother there,
you.
and we're finishing her aunt's hair back there. So my wife talks more than me, unfortunately, but what can I say? Runs in the family. God bless you. May you have a blessed Thursday. Ciao.
Bye.
Shake your hair for me. A little more. Not good enough.
Oh.
Okay, good job. All right.